You say you want to outwork everyone, you want results, you want to stop dreaming and start building. That's good, but most people never get past wanting. They let their moods run the show. Today, I'm going to show you how to flip that. First, let conviction lead, not emotion. Feelings tell you to sleep in, skip the grind, take the easy route. Principles tell you to show up anyway. When you commit to rules, not to how you feel, you stop negotiating with yourself. You don't wait for motivation, you act because that's the standard you set. If you're still watching this, you're already part of the 1%. Most people gave up by now, stuck scrolling their life away, but not you. Second, make persistence automatic. Big bursts look impressive, but long, steady effort wins the race. Don't rely on heroic weeks. Build a daily cadence you can sustain. Protect the small, boring rituals that produce results. The morning page, the workout you do even when you don't want to. Guard those rituals like they're non-negotiable. Third, turn restlessness into a trigger. Boredom is not the enemy, it's a signal. Instead of reaching for your phone, let that empty moment push you into a productive move. 10 minutes on the task you've been avoiding beats an hour of distraction. Use that uncomfortable space to start something real. Fourth, raise your baseline. Small compromises become habits. If sloppy is allowed once, sloppy spreads. Demand more of your work, your time, your relationships, higher standards. Silently reshuffle everything in your life. Finally, believe the process. Results compound slowly. You'll face dry periods and setbacks. That's part of it. If your actions are principled and consistent, momentum will build. If you're ready to stop reacting and start ruling your day, type 1. Principle you'll follow from now on. Put it in the comments. Make it public so you can't back out. If you liked this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and it helps me too. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.